Make sure it's on. Sweet. What's up, guys? Today we'll be doing, oops, you're just in the dirt. Front and rear brakes on a 2020 KLX 140. The kids destroy everything, and yeah, we ride the heck out of it. So I just didn't like how the brakes were looking, so I decided to order some stuff. So we got some EBCs, and when I did some research real quick, these are flea bayers, but they whole bunch of different brands, like different Kawasaki years and stuff, so they should work. We'll find out. If not, famous last words, and I won't use this video. Six mil right here. Loosen that up. Oops.
Turn these off.
What? Nobody turned them off.
Oh, they're off.
I didn't touch them. What's the temp at? Nothing? I mean, seriously, I didn't even touch the grill. Yo, I wonder if I would even have to do it. Oh yeah, there's no. Yeah, baby, I didn't touch the grill. That sucks. That's no good at all. I don't flathead on me. I'll get my flathead real quick, guys. Watch your reservoir, because if you sometimes do it like this, you could, you know, fill it up. And take the cover off, so theoretically it should work just fine. I gotta get some new brakes for the 1000. I need to get some EBC LA tradeds. I could probably go a little more, but that's a little significant. Halfway used up in 2 years, 3 years, whatever year this is. Oh, come on, really? It's not this hard. Sons of a biscuit. Got stuck down there. You could put a little anti-seize on this if you really wanted. Just to get things to go smooth. Oh, as I break them, that'd be funny as heck. Story of my life. What the heck here? Come on, baby, get up in that sucker. Got that spring up there. Pressure. Slider bit. Oops, cat's in my stuff, man. Cat's in my stuff. One in. Those are Nissans, whatever you want to call them. I won't ABCs. There we go. Like I said, you can put a little anti-seize if you want to. I got to order the steel braided brake lines for all the bikes, the dirt bikes and stuff, the dual purposes. Just haven't. They're in the go-kart. I mean, they're in the go-kart and stuff. I just haven't did the clicking yet, but I would recommend it. Put that on there. We'll tighten them up once we get the bike. Get all this stuff back on it. Boom. Got a lot of disc brakes. They're simple. Do it nice and fielded here. Lammo, man, looking good. Make sure you pump it up. PFT. Get a little love after you ride a couple laps wherever you're at. I would recheck this stuff. Safety note here, so you don't lose your rear brakes. That would be don't lose any brakes really. Like I said, I'm doing fronts and rears here. Just don't want to have a bad day of losing stuff. I hate not having brakes, especially coming hot in a turn. There you go. And that was a whole few seconds. Let's get to the front. Got a little tight fit here in the garage because I got all my stuff here and we're doing a little grilling that was off. So yeah, that sort of stunk. And we broke the darn kickstand a little bit, bending it from falling. So she's all mad. Oh, there it comes off my stand. Shoot. That sucked. I think I knew what I was doing here, right? Nope. Not a darn clue. Not a darn clue. Oops. Big old fat guy in the way here. Time for the fronts. Da-na-na-na-na. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. 12 millimeter. Safety wire, but like I said, I gotta put brake lines and everything here. Just the way to do it. Do 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 do. I might be lucky just to be able to spin it, but we'll just frickin' rip it off real quick and call it good. I run, I want to say it was Virache on my 01 with, I had Brake Tech full floating lightweight rotors because that bike had lightweight rims. But most of the time I just run EBCs. Those were ductile iron, so they needed some special pad that Brake Tech recommended. So since I bought the lightweight rotors for a couple $800 or something like that, I just frickin' kept I got whatever they recommended. And yeah, so again, just give it a little love. Watch your stuff up there. Realistic, I should have the top off, but we didn't. If it busts out and break a hose. Boop. There we go. In. Looking good. Looking good. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Let's see if we get it. I could put NICs on everything, make it a little happier, but I'm not today. At least I got a little bit of cutting done around the house before it rained. I could have just got my socket and drilled it out quick. But I feel like I'm wasting time on this video. What do you think, guys? See, you can see hanging up a little bit, a little dirty on there and stuff, so that sometimes could potentially hold you up. One's about out. I could mic him, show you where we're at, but oh, it's all banged up. Dang it, man! What the heck? It's all twisted on me. It doesn't want to come out and play. The spacer at the top screwed me all up, man. So I stab my finger. That'd be funny. That'd be funny. Ka-chink. Oh, bloody. Nothing like working on a bike with a little blood on your hands. Oh man, really? You dirty biscuit. Dirty biscuit. She's a dirty biscuit, man. Dirty girl there. But the pressure from that spring is getting me up here for a minute. Just gotta make it a little harder than I would like today. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Struggling, man. Struggling, right? There it goes. Push that sucker out of there, man. I get this freaking pad out. What the heck? The spring can't be that freaking hard. What the heck? Wasn't too bad. So, like I said, there you can see a little bit of use. That didn't even, I guess it didn't even, that one's sort of good. It's about the same thickness. Huh. Pad side. Ba 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 ma 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 ba ba ma 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 ma. Yeah, da, da. Clean that up a little bit if you really want to. Today I'm not going to unless something changes, but luckily the bike was brand new. So I'm the previous owner. Sucker. So that's all we got going today, man. There we go. Piece of cake. I must smell like poo. I got flies attacking me here. Run them in while you're sitting here and then tighten them up on the back on the bike. Make sure you got some space. Ammo, plenty of room. Give her some love. And don't forget to check your brakes. Man, it smells good, babe. Come back and check it out when you check the rears out and give her a little love. And that's how you change brakes on a disc brake, pretty much motorcycle. But this is a 2020 Kawasaki KLX 140. And again, I went with EBCs, and we get rid of these stock OEM Ninans, whatever they are, Nissans. But again, you gotta hit the brake. I don't have my front stand on it, so pump it up. Do. Bam, there she goes, starting to bite now. Give her a couple lovin's. Siblink. Bike's ready to go hammer down. beat them in on the street bike, a couple hot cycles ready to go. I've just thrown them on before and raced right off the bat. Thanks, guys. KLX 140 brakes.